Underage drinking and illegal drug use by kids is grabbing the attention of people in Piatt County. A recent survey shows many teenagers are doing it, and one group is trying to prevent it from getting worse. WCIA3's Jennifer Jensen is here. So, Jennifer, where's this information coming from?
Paul, every 2 years, the U of I School of Social Work does a survey of kids in 8th, 10th, and 12th grade. It finds patterns in students' use of illicit drugs and alcohol consumption.
There's a lingering concern in many parents' minds when it comes to their kids.
A lot of us as parents have firsthand evidence from conversations with our students about the reality of what's happening in our schools.
Rich Rat's children have come home with stories of other kids drinking and using drugs. While secondhand information is one thing, firsthand accounts of illegal substance abuse is another. Students in Piatt County are admitting to what's happening through a county-wide survey in their schools.
They're looking at 8th, 10th, and 12th grade self-reporting on a myriad of different behaviors that would include anything from alcohol usage, marijuana usage, other illicit substances.
The survey asked 452 students in 3 different schools to share what they've done.
High school students in Piatt County, we have 33% of those that are actively consuming alcohol are saying that they're getting that knowingly from their parents. 22% of all 8th graders in this county have said they've consumed alcohol in the last year.
Tony Kirkman is the director at Piatt County Mental Health Center. He wants parents to educate their kids about the risks of addiction and substance abuse. The health center is doing its part to help with that.
We have a program that is youth prevention education that goes into the classrooms talking about all of these risk factors.
Piatt County's survey numbers are below the state average, but Ratz says he doesn't want substance abuse to happen at all.
Everybody should have a stake in this, because if our youth and our students are not healthy and safe, then ultimately our community is not going to be healthy and safe.
The next survey will be taken this upcoming school year. In the newsroom, I'm Jennifer Jensen, WCIA3, your local news leader.